We're Making Noise Theater Company, a collection of artists and performers, and we need your help.
We truly believe that there's no such thing as too much theater. And so we're going to work to build opportunities for more people to experience theater and tell more stories in our community.
Theater and performance have been companions in all of our lives, and we want others to have that same experience.
As we get established with our first couple of shows, we want to put on comedies, musicals, and even a Making Noise original. Our first show will be a production of the award-winning and hysterical The Play That Goes Wrong.
All support provided to the project goes directly into acquiring show rights and materials and producing a quality rendition of the costumes and a set so complex it's practically a character itself. It won a Tony.
Backer rewards include signed posters, ads in our program, cool stuff like having your name displayed on our set, and so much more. You can also add on Making Noise merchandise, like a troop t-shirt or stickers commemorating our first show as Making Noise.
We will be fulfilling physical rewards in and around the start of show week. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at makingnoisetheatercompany@gmail.com.
So check out the backer tiers and support Making Noise, and come see the show. We'll hopefully be performing in February. We can't wait to see you there, and we can't wait to make some noise.